third one.
Mama, meron ka ng 4 points? Hana, meron ka ng 2 points? Okay guys, for today's video guys, matagal-tagal na natin ito hindi nagawa. Tagalog English!
Oh, yes! So, talo na naman.
Okay guys, kung sino guys una maka 5 points, mananalo ng 150 pesos!
150.
Okay, 150 pesos, kaya galingan nyo. Okay? So, kasama natin siyempre si Melay.
Hello. Hello.
At siyempre si Mama.
Yes.
At siyempre hindi mawawala si Hana.
What is Annabelle?
Okay, so guys, uulitin ko kung sino yung una maka 5 points siya mananalo ng 150
Ano yan?
pesos.
English, Tagalog?
Tagalog English.
Tagalog, English. Nga ni.
Game.
Okay.
Paunahan makasagot ha.
Ay, kanan lang.
Ang saya, hindi ba?
It's funny. It's happy,
Ha?
di ba? Ang saya, hindi. Ano?
Ang saya, hindi ba?
It's so funny, right?
No?
No. Ang saya, hindi ba?
Yes.
It's funny, did it?
No?
Don't you think it's funny?
No. Mama?
Don't you think it's funny daw?
Let's go, Mama.
Ang saya siya.
Guys, pag hindi nyo nasagot, hindi ko sasabihin yung tamang sagot para naman hindi kayo magkaroon ng idea. Okay? Mama?
Hindi kami magkaka-idea. Hindi kami
Para hindi nyo malaman yung tamang sagot.
So, magre-research pa kami.
Yes.
Did you
Mama?
know? Did
Ang question natin, guys, ang saya, hindi ba?
Hirap.
Okay?
It's happy. It's joyful, right?
No?
It's so...
Ano ba English ng hindi ba?
Didn't it?
Ano ba English ng hindi ba? Let's go.
Don't
Ang saya.
know it.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Okay, tumatagal tayo. 5 seconds.
It's so funny. Don't eat.
Wrong. Melay?
Don't you?
Ano first letter na lang?
Wala.
First letter I.
Yeah, nga, it's so funny.
It's happy. Ay, hindi. Ano yun?
It did.
Happy? Oh.
It didn't
Sabihin nyo guys kung sirit na kayo ha.
It's happy, right?
No?
Ang saya.
It's so happy. Didn't it?
No. Yung,
It didn't.
yung ang saya, it's fun.
It's fun. Didn't it?
Ano English ng hindi ba?
It's fun, you know.
No?
Hindi ba?
It's fun.
It's
Yeah.
fun. Didn't it? Nga.
5 seconds.
It's fun. Did not it?
It's
1,
fun. It's ano ba? It's fun, you know.
2,
It's fun. Right? It's fun.
3,
Fun. It's fun. It's fun.
4, 5. O, Melay, pwede mo i-research.
I-research ko.
Pwede mo i-research.
Ano ba tanong?
Ang saya, hindi ba?
Ang saya.
Ano English nun?
It's,
Para naman,
It's fun. Don't you?
don't you know, hindi, don't.
you know?
Okay, wala nakasagot guys. Next question na tayo. Ano?
Saan ka nagsasearch? Google.
Go?
It's so much fun, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it talaga?
Okay. So, next question na tayo. Up.
Isn't it?
Ay,
Baba ng cellphone, baba na.
ay.
Akala ko, madali lang.
Ano ba? Ang lalim naman.
I thought it was easy.
Is correct, Hana. Wow. Wow.
It was easy.
Galing ni Hana. Hana, meron ka ng 1 point.
Points.
Game.
Right, guys.
Saan pinakamalapit na tindahan?
Where is
Where
the
is
nearest store?
Ay, mama, excuse me?
Where is the nearest store?
Where is the...
Mama is correct!
1 point ako, 1 point ikaw.
Iniisip ko ba
Okay, mama, 1 point.
Nasagot ko yun.
Star.
Yung...
Siyempre, bagal mo eh.
Where is nearest?
Game.
Nearest?
1 point ng Hana, 1 point mama.
Nearest.
Bakit sila nakatingin sa akin?
Why they're staring at me? Why they're staring at me? Ako na una.
Si Menay muna.
Ala, ako na una
Si
eh.
Menay muna.
Madaya.
Bakit sila nakatingin sa akin?
Why they're staring at me?
Excuse me?
Why they're staring at me?
Wrong. Hana?
Why they are staring at me?
Starring.
Wrong.
Hindi.
Mama?
May starring.
Bakit tumititig?
Why those? Ano nga?
Bakit sila nakatingin sa akin?
Why they are looking
Why?
at me?
Mama muna.
Why they are looking at me?
Wrong.
Oh, yeah.
Tingin yata.
Malapit na, malapit na.
Why those people look at me?
Wrong.
Bakit sila nakatingin sa akin? Why?
Bakit
they
sila nakatingin sa akin?
staring at me? Hindi nga yun, looking. Looking?
Hana?
Wait lang.
Seeing at me.
Why? Ay, sana ba?
Game? Hindi, kahit sino sa inyo.
Why they are looking at me?
Excuse me?
Why they are looking at me?
Wrong.
Yun talaga yung
Why na.
Why they're looking at me? Why
Oy.
people's looking at
Uy,
me?
malapit na si Melay. Why they daw eh. Why they?
There.
There. Oh.
Why are you looking
wrong.
at me?
Why there's... Why they are looking at me?
Wrong.
Why they are
Uy.
so many looking at me?
Uy, malapit na si Hana.
Why they are
Nagkabalik-baliktad
looking
lang.
Why they are looking at me?
Excuse me, mama?
Why they are looking at me?
Uy, kulang, mama.
Ha?
Kulang, mama.
Why they are...
Kulang.
Ano ba tanong?
Bakit sila nakatingin sa akin?
Why?
Si Hana naman sumobra, ikaw naman kumulang.
Ha?
Let's go.
Why
Bakit
they
sila-
are looking at me now?
Excuse me?
Why they are looking at me now?
Wrong.
Why? Why? Why?
Hana?
Why so many looking at me?
Wrong.
Why there are so many looking at me?
Uy, wrong mama. Lumayo ka na naman.
Why they are...
Uy, bakit
Why are looking at
Ano ba?
bumaliktad?
Why they are...
Uy, bumaliktad
Why
na
are
naman.
they? Why are
Why are
they?
they looking at me?
Uy, ano?
Why are they looking at me?
Is correct, mama!
Why are they
Okay.
looking at me?
Okay. Mama, meron ka ng 2 points.
Baliktad, oh.
They are...
Meron ka ng 2 points.
Why are...
Sino?
Oh!
Hmm. Hana is correct.
Ayun na yun!
Hindi ka kasi nakapokus, Melay.
Wala
Marites ka ng marites. Hana, 2 points. Mama, 2 points.
Sabi niya, wala pa.
Kailan?
When? Ako!
Mama.
Ako lang sa sentence lang.
Mama.
Siyempre, para madali. One word lang? Okay.
Yes. Kasi nga, umpisa pa lang mahirap. Siyempre, pag medyo ko na, Mama, 3 points. Game. Ilabas.
Go! Ay, out.
No.
Outside!
No.
Go out!
No.
Ilabas.
Ilabas.
Ilabas?
Out.
Get out!
No.
Got
In love.
Outside.
Ang sisimula sa letter is E.
End.
No?
End it.
Wrong. Sumunod, J.
Ha?
J?
Eject.
Ha?
Eject.
Eject is correct, mama. Yes.
Oh, para sa computer, di ba?
Mama, meron ka ng 4 points. Ana, meron ka ng 2 points. Melay, 0 pa rin.
Natatawa lang kami sa katawa ni mama eh.
Maingat.
Careful.
Careful is correct. 3 Hana for mama.
Baka kasi take care yung masagot ni tita eh.
Game. Matamlay.
Ay.
Hi.
No appetite.
Wrong.
No, open.
Matamlay.
Hi.
No energy.
Sick. Sick.
No.
Energy loss.
No.
Sadly.
Nagsisimula sa letter L.
Loss.
Sumunod, E.
Lazy.
No.
Hindi. Ano eh?
Ang masigla guys, ang masigla, energetic. Ang matamlay is,
Sadful.
no.
Ano?
Malapit sa energetic to ha.
Energetic. Energen. Lesson.
No.
Ano? Lost appetite.
L-E nga.
Ay,
L-E-T.
Lettuce.
L-E-T-H.
Ha? Lero.
Pao, si Christian Pao.
L-E-T-H.
A.
Letha. Letha.
Ano yun?
R. Uy, babasahin na lang.
Letter go.
Ha? Uy, kulang.
Letter. Letter.
Kulang. Kulang.
Ha? Letter.
G.
Letter.
Uy, dagdagan nyo.
Touch.
Ito ha.
Lethargy.
G.
Tagalog eh. Ay, English pala.
Okay, nasa G na ako no. E.
Lethargen. Recharge. Lethargen. Letharges.
T.
Lethargetic.
Ha?
Lethargetic.
Is correct, mama.
Energetic eh.
Oh, di
Wala
ba?
na lethargen.
Okay, mama, congratulations. Ikaw na naman ang nanalo ng 150 pesos.
Melay.
Isa pa.
Okay? Melanie, ano nangyari
pa siya.
sa'yo?
Wala. Wala pala.
Meron pala.
Okay, so wala tayong magagawa. Ganun talaga ang challenge. Minsan natatalo, minsan naman nananalo.
Wala.
Okay.
Ano ako ngayon, malayo ang
Utak.
Ano, natutulog ang brain niya.
Okay, so,
Singin niyo, guys. Guys, isingin yung
Ah.
brain niya.
mama, congratulations. Tanggapin mo ang 150. Balik mo sa akin ang 50.
Yay!
Okay, congratulations. Yun guys. Thank you so much nga pala kay
Tingnan nyo,
Mr.
guys,
Hawaii.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hawaii!
At syempre, shoutout kay Ninay.
Shout out, Ninay!
Di mawawala yun, syempre, mahal
Syempre,
natin
love
yan.
namin yun.
At syempre, sa mga magigitig natin mga subscribers, shoutout
Shout
sa
out,
inyo.
guys!
Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang ating video guys. Salamat sa panood. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like
Share.
at share. At syempre, subscribe.
At saka
Yun. See you next vlog.
Bye-bye! Subscribe!